it's Megan with WTI, and this mirror from ZKIODV has been one of the most welcome additions to our home recently. We had the choice to install it either on our wall or on a door. We chose to install it on a wall, and it was super quick and simple to do. It fit really securely, and it laid really nice and flat against the wall. This mirror is great on its own. It has this really sleek, minimal styling that I love. It goes well in any room, but what really makes me love it is its lighted feature. It has 3 different light modes and customizable brightness. This makes it excellent for me to apply my makeup in front of, and I can make sure that I get a perfect application every time. Since not every mirror in our home offers great lighting, so now me and my husband don't need to fight over the bathroom mirror anymore. And I love the full length style. It makes it very practical. This is true even without the mirror's light on. We have it in a room in our house that I've kind of claimed as my own personal flex space, so I use it for all kinds of things. I can check my outfit in the mirror, I can blow dry my hair, or I can use it for checking my form when I'm working out in here. It offers a clear and crisp reflection. It's just a really high quality mirror. I absolutely love this mirror from ZKIODV. It has added so much to our living space, but that's just my point of view.